Hey friends, it's Wendy with the Wendy Moore, and I'm here with my December unboxing. And I don't know if you can tell from the images here, but I've got a lot of boxes this month. I stocked up and took advantage of having product delivered a little bit earlier because I knew we were traveling mid to late January and I didn't want to risk not having those products delivered in time. So let's get started. Got a lot to share. First up is my Ningxia Red, and this is 4 bottles. Let me turn that one around. 4 bottles of our liquid superfood antioxidant. This stuff is amazing. Not only does it taste delicious, but it helps support healthy immune system and basically every single system in our body. So just 2 ounces a day for those that are looking to maybe improve their health. And I typically, because I am in good health and I take a lot of products, I typically do 1 ounce a day. But if I start feeling under that wellness line, I immediately bump it up to 2 ounces a day, and I find that I'm all better. So that comes with 4 of the 750 ml bottles, the particular one I ordered, because this is the best value pack. You get it on the loyalty rewards order, and it's only available through that, because the bonus is you also get 30 of the individual serving packets. These are 2 servings, 2 ounce servings per packet. So when we travel, we always use this before we get on the plane. We use it during our entire trip just to make sure we're supporting a healthy immune system. So that's my Ningxia. I'm going to get this out of the way so that I can get you the freebies that I got with that particular order. Was a bottle or a bar of Thieves hand and body soap. It's just our cleansing soap. If you've used any of the Thieves products, you know that this smells absolutely amazing, and it can be used at the shower or in the shower, at the sinks in your home. And we like to use it at our utility room sink because that's typically where, if my husband's working out in the garage, he comes in with grease and so forth, and this takes care of it like nobody's business. So we love this one. The smell, as I said, is absolutely divine. And then I got some free oils. First up is Valor. And if you've not tried Valor, this one is one of my absolute favorites. Valor is a multiplier oil, which means that if you put it on top of any other oil, you layer it, it's going to magnify the benefits of the first oil that you applied. So I mentioned in a previous video that I like to put the highest potential at the crown of my head and then top it with the Valor. Valor has the beautiful blue color that we get from our blue tansy, and it's an oil that inspires confidence and gives us courage. So most of us could use that. And then we've got Peace and Calming, another oil that I've relied on for many, many, many years. This helped me get through when my mother passed away suddenly, and it was a great comfort to my father while he was in hospice. And then we also have our purification oil, and purification is one of those oils that pairs so well with our citrus scents, and it helps to purify and cleanse our air. And then we've got Energy. I think especially after the holidays in January, everybody can use a little extra energy, and that the name says it all. So this one is application wise topically, or else you can put it in your diffuser and enjoy the benefits of added energy. So that was a loyalty reward order. I also, let's see, oops, I'm missing a couple things here I need to pull in. I also got Super C as a bonus for my gifts with purchase, and I added a bar of charcoal bar soap for my husband. He loves this one in the shower. So that was my loyalty reward order, and it came in 2 boxes. Where is the other one for? Oh, here's the other for the other products that came in. Master Formula. This is our multivitamin It's a multi-spectrum multivitamin, and it's going to give you the support that you need for the vitamins and minerals on a daily basis. We've talked about it before. It's an individual packet, and there are 3 capsules and 1 oil capsule. So 3 powder, 1 oil. Why oil in your supplement? Because it helps the body to absorb quicker. It makes the vitamins more bioavailable. Love that product. We always have that on hand. We each use a box every month. And of course, a staple in our house, this one is our Balance Complete, and this is a shake mix protein powder and balanced with all of protein and carb balance. This one tastes like vanilla, or some people say it tastes like birthday cake. I like the flexibility of being able to blend it with anything and have it take on that flavor. So currently I am using coconut milk, and in that coconut milk then I'm putting spinach and some Ningxia Red, and I use 3 oils in that every day. So I'm using peppermint, thieves, and lemon. Cleansing from the lemon, immune support from the thieves, and the peppermint is an anti-inflammatory, and I happen to love the flavors that it gives my shake. I also put in some of my other supplements, and as I go through, I'll let you know which ones go in my shake. And then, let's see. Oh yeah, more free gifts, forgot. Well, and I've got a couple other things here. So I also got Thieves toothpaste. We were running low, and this one is my favorite. This one is the Aroma Bright. I love that it's fluoride free. If you look at your traditional toothpaste at the store, you're going to see a warning that says do not swallow, and if you swallow, to call poison control. And it's primarily due to the fluoride that's found in those preparations. So this one is brightening for your smile, and I only use like a pea size on my toothbrush, and my dentist is noticing the difference in the health of my gums and teeth. And then one more freebie that I got from that loyalty reward, and that's our Thieves wipes. And so the same delicious fragrance scent that we get from our Thieves is in our hand wipes. These can be used for every surface that you want to use to help purify that area. And you know that our Thieves hand sanitizer has been approved to say 99.9% germ-free. Same process goes into our wipes. Love it. Okay, so that was a loyalty reward order. Let's see, this one I believe is actually, yeah, that's a January that I just got in. Okay, so moving right along. I don't have quite as many boxes as I thought I was going to share with you. I've told you in the past that I have a professional account. A professional account was offered to Young Living for individuals with a business that resold the products, and they have discontinued that for new members, but I have been grandfathered in. So this is from my Young Living professional account order, where I get 40% off of the retail price. I don't get any perks when I order this way. There's no free gifts with purchase. The PV is also reduced. So for members that understand that process, that means that it's 40% less on the amount that I'm paid commission on as well. So, or that I earn commission. Balance Complete, because I go through 2 a month. I ordered 1 on my professional account. Then Agiles. We use a lot of Agiles in this house because we're getting to that age. And frankly, everything doesn't always feel like it did when we were in our 30s. So this is one that's going to support our joints and our muscles. And then our Illuminize, I got 2 of those. This is our eye health product, and it relies on carrots. And you've never seen a rabbit with glasses, right? So it must work. But this one helps to block the blue rays from all of our screen time. There's other benefits to it. If you want more information, I would suggest doing a search for Illuminize on the Young Living website. And then we've got 2 more bars of the charcoal bar soap. He showers a lot. And let's see, supplement wise, an Omega Gize. Omega Gize is our fish oil capsules, special formulation so that we don't taste fish, but we get all the benefits of those rich omega acids. And then Super Cow Plus, I used this one. My doctor had told me I needed to get on some additional D, and so I looked into it, and this one seemed to be one of the best that I could find. And when we did a second follow-up bone density, my bone density had increased. So I'm continuing to stick with this because osteoporosis is a real thing in my family, and I struggle. Master Formula, again, our multi-spectrum, and I got a total of 3 boxes this month because occasionally Young Living runs out, and I like to always have one extra on hand. Now, these are all orders that I purchased. When you purchase on Loyalty Rewards, I've shared with you in the past that you receive free monthly gifts. I shared with you some of the free monthly gifts that I got this month for the month of December. And what I didn't share with you is that Young Living also gives you points for Loyalty Rewards. They basically equal 1 point for dollar spent. And when I receive my points, I let them accumulate, and then I place an order, and I will buy products that maybe I like to use occasionally, or that are treats, and that way I get to try more things. But this month I needed an extra Omega Gi, so I slipped that in on my free order. All I paid for the products you're going to see next is $8.55. That was for shipping and tax on shipping, and everything else was 100% free. And this order, forget what it, I don't have, oh wait, there's the slip. Let's see if it shows. This was $431 worth of product that no, that's an order. Sorry, I don't have that order slip. This is a different one. So let's get started with this. Sulfurzyme. Sulfurzyme is using our Ningxia red formulation powdered complex. And this supports healthy, it supports everything, but healthy bones and joints. It also helps with muscle recovery. It helps with hair and nails. And I've been seeing a difference. I got a gray patch and it was really prominent. And I'm finding that it's not as much so. And I'm not sure if it's because I have increased my Sulfurzyme to using 2 teaspoons in my morning shake, or if it's because I've added in our mineral essence, which the minerals are also great because you get copper and things that support your natural hair growth and color. So it could be that. I'm not sure, but I'm going to continue taking both of these because I don't want to go gray. I don't want to have to mess with that. Not yet. So got 2 Sulfurzymes, again free. And I got MindWise. This is cognitive support, and these are the individual packets. As I said, we're traveling, and so I went ahead and got these convenient daily dose packets so that it's easy to pop in my suitcase, and I can travel with these as opposed to trying to carry a glass bottle and risk it breaking. So cognitive support is what our MindWise is. And then our rose ointment. I use rose ointment. You might have heard your grandmother talk about it. It's not a new thing, but it is a Young Living formulation using some of our rose oil in it. And it's just an ointment. Open this here. So it looks like a salve. And you can use this for the kids when they have boo-boos. I put it on topically. And love the smell of that. My granddaughter, my grandson had some spots that looked a little like rosacea on his cheeks, and I applied the ointment to his little skin. He's only 18 months, right after his bath. And within about an hour, we noticed that those spots that had been there for 3 days were gone. So we were really excited to see that we can use something all natural that's not going to harm him, but it's also effective. So that's it for my December unboxing. Thank you so much for being with me, and I'll look forward to seeing you for my January unboxing.